Alright guys, today we have a 2005 Ford Ranger and we'll be changing the serpentine belt on it. It is the V6 3.0 and here is the part number. Alright, first thing I'm going to do is remove this intake. It is two 8mm hose clamps. I'm just going to move out of the way. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and remove the belt. Now, normally I say take a picture of how the belt is set up so that way you have a reference picture to put it back together. But Ford has it right here and we have the 3.0. So there's your belt diagram right there. Alright, so our tensioner is down here. It is a 15mm. I'm going to get a long ratchet and a 15mm to take it off. Once we pull the belt off, we'll go ahead and change the idler and the tensioner. Alright, so I got a 15mm on this belt tensioner tool. It is a good idea to have. If you don't, you may be able to take the 10mm off this fan shroud or the fan blade itself and just kind of hang it loose so you can fit a big ratchet behind it. Or if you're strong enough, you can just get a wrench or a longer wrench with an extension and go ahead and get down on there. When you tighten, you'll loosen up the belt. Now, you do have to kind of loop it around the fan in order to take it off. You'll see in the time lapse. All right, and with the belt off, we go ahead and start installing the new belt. Remember, you're gonna have to loop it around the fan before we install it. And here is the belt diagram to use for reference. Okay, so you see everything's lined up. Make sure all the grooves are in place. I always find it easier to, when you leave the idler pulley for last, so when you tension it, you have a smooth groove to pull on. You don't have lips to like pull the belt over on. So I'd always do the idler last, and that's about it. Belt diagram there. Gonna go ahead and put the air intake back on, and that will be it. Alright, we started up. Everything looks smooth, no squeal. I say it's a job done. Alright, and that's it for this job. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave it down in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks, guys.